Hello, this is part one of this topic I want to deal with right now. Mr. Z Ologbozi, I would advise you to shut up. If you don't know what to discuss online, shut up. You have been talking about this lady, Kemi Badenoch. You have been talking about her for a very long time. Your vice president was talking against the Kemi of a lady, the Yoruba lady, who is a party leader in Britain. This lady said she does not want to have anything to do with Nigeria. What is your problem, Mr. Z Ologbozi? I don't know what your problem is. Why are Nigerians traveling to other places if Nigeria is too sweet? Where are you living? I will ask you this question. Where do you live? Either in Europe or in wherever you want to live. I don't know where you're living, Mr. Z. Where do you live? You talk about this lady as if she has done anything wrong to Nigeria. You don't know her story. The little story she has given out, I think as a reasonable one, you should try to digest and understand where she's coming from. This lady was born in Britain, brought back home in Nigeria. She grew up, and at a certain time, she went back to UK. She doesn't want to associate herself with these corrupt entities in Nigeria. Why are you forcing her to accept? You are saying that the system that helped her. Which system? Which system helped her? Police, she 2 days ago, she was talking about comparing police, Nigerian police and British police. Do you see how your Nigerian police behave? Have you ever encountered Nigerian police? You have not. I don't know if this government has paid you money to come and tarnish the girl image. You cannot. Mr. Z, I'm talking to you. You can't. This lady is a disciplined lady. This is a lady that has went through a lot before she even went to Britain. You don't get it. Why are Nigerians moving out of their vicinity? If I may ask you that question. Because you are talking as if Nigeria is too good. And you are not living in Nigeria. You live outside where there is electricity, where there is good road, where there are laws, working laws. And you are supporting evil to be happening in Nigeria. Go back home. Go and live in Nigeria. Let us see how if you are not going to complain more than the lady, do you want her to involve herself with Boko Harams? Do you want this Kemi of a lady to be involved in the looting, money laundering going on in Nigeria? Is that what you want? You talk about Kemi as if she has done anything wrong. She has not done anything wrong. She's on the right track. She don't want to dent her own image. Do you know her story? Do you know how many Nigerians? I don't know where you are coming from. Maybe you are coming from Benin. Go to Libya and go and see your young men and women. Go and see what they are doing in Libya. Go to Morocco and see what they are doing. They are talking about immigrant. Yes. If you don't have documents, if you don't behave yourself, they deport you. I agree with that. Go to Italy and see how your boys, your so-called young boys, they are doing courtism in Nigeria, and they bring the courtism in Europe, causing problem everywhere. Is that what you want? Are you not hearing? If you don't see, can't you understand? They move from Libya to Morocco, from Morocco to Italy. They go there, they do all manner of things. Your girls doing all manner of things. Your boys doing nonsense. And when they get there and they deport them, someone like you will be complaining. Why must you complain? Are you not seeing what is happening? If your country is the system that help, which system? Show me one person Nigeria has helped. Show me one. I don't say to one. Tell me what Nigeria has done for you that made you also run away. Whether you took Mediterranean to where you are now. Tell me how you got there. When you travel to other people's country, you behave yourself. If you don't behave yourself, they will deport you. It is normal. It is normal. After all, Nigeria deported Ghanaians. Are you forgetting that? You are talking wow. Every day you talk Kemi. Go and talk to your politicians. You were there last election. See the atrocities and the rigging and the anomalies that took place. Is that what you want someone to involve himself with? You talk every day. This is part one. I'm coming back for you. You understand? Davido, few weeks ago, was interviewed in America. And he told them the truth that Nigerian economy is in shambles. People were attacking him. Do you know that Davido father, with a counterpart from China, they opened a power station. After the power station was completely built, only to sign the approval, the minister for power refused to sign it. Not until he fell sick. Someone came to replace him. The person that came to replace him and saw that it's a very good project, and the person signed it. Davido father. So what Davido said in America is a product of what he's hearing from home. Davido is not suffering, but everyone knows that Nigerian economy is in a super shamble. It's shaggy. If you don't know it today. So why are you forcing the lady to accept nonsense? Are you okay where you are? Your family is there in Nigeria suffering, and you are here trying to let the girl to align with corrupt entities, Boko Haram everywhere. Is that what you want? Leave the lady alone. If you don't have a job, go and look for a job and stop talking online. You are talking trash. All what you have said is not. Nobody will support you. Maybe they have paid you to come here and talk rubbish. You are talking nonsense. Stop talking. The lady is on track. Be calmly on track. None of them should. How many people Nigeria have saved in Libya? How many of your people now in Libya sitting there being humiliated, harassed? Many of them are doing what they are not supposed to do, forcing them to do what they are not supposed to do. Where is your government in Libya to save their people? In Libya, where is your government? That's the first question. I will come back for you. For now, let us leave it like this. Goodbye. Wait, before I go, I said I will come back for you, and I'm gonna come back for you. Let me ask you this question. Nigeria does not have 6,000 megawatts of electricity, and an indigene, Davido father, invested his money and his resources, brought in an outsider to invest in your country to at least assist in providing electricity. Your government could not provide electricity for her citizens. Someone who did, they refused to sign it. Every day they are shouting, looting and taking money that belongs to you and other Nigerians. You say nothing. Someone stole $86 billion. Yahaya Bello stole 110 billion naira. Are you not hearing the sound of the money? Is it a little money for you? And your government refused to sign an investment. Don't you know that electricity is the bedrock of every investment, every business? You don't know? Stop talking about Kemi. As you talk about her, I'm going to talk about you. Stop talking about her. She is doing the right thing. In fact, the best thing she's doing. Everyone knows that Britain is involved in Nigeria. And even though they want to use them because they are talking about immigrants, that is what they want to hear. Go and tell your government to stop their people from moving out. Let them do the right thing. Let the people feed. Let them see food to eat and create jobs for the citizens. And people will not run away. As long as people are running away, running to other countries where they have already settled and prepared nicely, they will be deported. I am not against that. If you know you don't have documents, behave yourself. Most of your boys are fighting Italy, all other places. Go to bar. They are fighting unnecessarily, and they are not fighting for anything reasonable. Only women. You talk to my woman. You take my woman. You take my woman. My ass. That's all what they are fighting. Go to Italy. Go everywhere. You are here shouting. Mr. Z, I'm talking to you. Stop talking about Kemi. Kemi is on the right track. I will still come back for you. I'm coming back for you.